Hi everyone, Nate Kopic here from Sherry Chrysler in Piqua, Ohio. Today we're looking at a 2017 Dodge Challenger. This does have a 6.4 liter V8 SRT Hemi. It is a 6-speed manual. Now this car is a 1 of 80 vehicle in the entire country with this paint scheme. Let's take a look at it. Starting right off, you can see it's got the very nice shaker hood here. Got shaker emblems here on the side. And this is on our showroom, if you can't tell. Some fog lights down here in the grill. Nice little halos around the headlights here. Very beautiful car. Now this one is actually number 27 of 80. And again, they are hand painted. Taking a look down here at the wheels. Nice set of 20s we got here. Some 392 badging on here. That's hand painted on as well. Very nice car. About 480 horsepower out of this bad boy. Taking a look inside. Looks like we have power everything, including windows, locks, mirrors. The mirrors are also heated. Very nice suede MOPAR seats. Got the leather trim on the sides here. It's kind of got the, it's going to hold you right in the seat here. 8.4-inch U-connect with heated seats. Down here we're looking at everything to control your climate. I don't know if you can see it, but there also is a sport track mode on this and a super track pack. Leather wrapped steering wheel. Got your radio controls, everything to do voice recognition while you're driving, so you don't have to have your hands on the phones. Cruise control. You got your stuff to control things up in the dash here. Plus on the back side, there's controls to control your presets for the radio. And again, this is a 6-speed manual. Take a look in the back side here. Back seat's kind of small, but it's a performance car, so it's kind of what you get. Most of them. Very beautiful. Does have a backup camera here in the rear wing. Also has the blacked out MOPAR emblems. This vehicle does have high performance Brembo brakes as well. You know, with all that horsepower, you need to be able to stop on the dime. And a Blistine suspension. So performance is in your future, and 1 of 80 in the country car is something that you're sought out for. Come in and check out stock number 28020, this beautiful 2017 Dodge Charger. My name is Nate Kopic. Come visit me here at Sherry Chrysler or give me a call at 937-778-0830. Make sure to visit our website at sherrychrysler.com.